insane, man.
I'm gonna probably get a 19. Oh, no, I have 19. Okay. That could maybe 5 and 3, 22.
That sucker a haul butt.
I know it does.
Do another high-speed run. I got a camera on you. Heck yeah.
I'm gonna probably get a 19. Oh, no, I have 19. Okay. That could maybe 5 and 3, Where's he at? Oh, hey, there he is. Found him. This one, right? This one?
Uh-oh, the wings are going up.
You want to throw it for you?
Oh, man's doing pretty good.
That's the Dover. Oh, that's the hook I picked up. Oh, yeah, I have a gun. But I'm not a cop. Yeah, why is that? I wish, see if I didn't realize it was so wrong. Yeah, I just bring it so I could show my wife. Now, but they have so much stuff I can do. I'll check see if I have any small. Okay, I go out. I know I had some of this probably. I'm just going to order some coffee and see how that goes. I really love running boats. I have pictures from a couple boats. The first boat I built.
I'm game for that.
I get the big airplane.
No. I'm game for that. Well, hey, first time we fly them, we'll fly them together. swing from tree to tree.
Yeah.
It's a tree station.
Ah, crumbs.
Dang,
Well, we used to be, we didn't have one.
How's it going?
We had
It's going. Hot as hell.
Yeah, it is. Ah, you had to copy me.
That's one thing that right there in the car coming around the end. Yep.
Shit, I lost it for an eighth of a second on that one.
Sorry.
Oh, you good? It's a pretty decent video though.